Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to find Facebook groups. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start. So finding Facebook groups, we will simply tap on the Facebook app and continue the video. So at the top there is a search option. You will simply tap on the search bar. So here are many different groups in the Facebook because every channel, every ID, everything has and their groups on Facebook. So here we will search. So you will search that which category group you want to join. We will simply tap here. We will write any news group, like we want to join the news group on Facebook. So we will search here news, and here are the top pages. These are the pages. At the top you can see there is groups. You will simply tap on the groups, and these are the all groups which you want to you can join, and some of them are public and some of them are not public. You can join the public groups here. So this is the simple process of finding and joining the groups on Facebook. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.